We're looking at the numbers for the past year. Remember, it was a tough first half of the year, but they really saw a catch-up in Q3 and here being confirmed in Q4. You have split numbers for PSA and FCA because it's still the numbers from when there were separate groups, of course, that the merger was completed in mid-January. So DT is the first set of results for the combined group, now Stellantis. But looking at PSA specifically, so we saw revenue down 18.7% at 60 billion. But the operating margin, remember, they had a target PSA of 4.5 adjusted operating margin for the period between 2019 and 2021, and it reached 7.1% last year and 9.4% in the second half of the year. So they are very much above the target that they had set on average for that period. FCA themselves, they mentioned that all segments have been profitable, and they mentioned a record Q4 in North America, and that all regions have been profitable, and Maserati has been profitable as well. So here, a very positive note for the fourth quarter for both groups. And as you said, they mentioned this new target of operating margin between 5.5% and 7.5% for next year, excluding any potential tough lockdowns. That's the only condition they mentioned. So it'll be interesting to watch because, of course, all investors are watching now that it is Stellantis and it is the first set of results, and there is a conf call this afternoon. There'll be some questions on further details on the synergies. We know that they are targeting 5 billion euros of synergies per year for the next 4 years. Also, any comment on the chip shortage? We know that this is impacting the autos industry. We heard from other automakers on how this will impact the business and the production for the first half of the year. There haven't been any comments on this in the communique this morning, but I'm sure there's some questions will come up in the press conference. So investment in electric vehicles is something that have been a little bit behind for PSA and FCA. So it'll be a further investment. The merger of the company will help them make the investments, and we know that they are launching about 10 electric vehicles in 2021. So we'll watch all this, but for now, positive reaction on the market on these results, and we see the shares of Stellantis up more than 2% on the French market.